8 hours. What can it be? A busy working day, a sweet dream at night, or a planned travel fleeing away from the hustle and bustle of urban life?
Beautiful.
The place I'm standing is called Wuyanling. It's a primary forest filled with a vast expanse of greenery. Walking through the forest, I received a gift from nature. The beautiful and rare creature makes me think about the meaning of time and life. After saying goodbye to these animals, I encounter a very beautiful bridge spanning a mountain like a rainbow. It's a very pleasant place for you to take a break from the rain. It's noon now. Hungry camps. Next, I'm going to have a picnic. The sky rains slightly. As I travel along, I come across various bridges. Mist rises in the hills and pervades the forest. I see the mosses overgrowing in the woods. I see the tree branches intertwining with each other. I see the ancient trees towering in the sky. For a moment, I wondered if I'm dreaming of Wonderland like Alice did. Finally, I arrived at Wuyanling waterfall. The serene forest sounds with the bubbling of flowing water. At this moment, I'm at the one with this forest, and my soul is purified in front of the waterfall. Today, standing with the greenery, I have a close contact with Taishun's beautiful ecology. The vast and tranquil wood and the variety of precious wildlife give me an amazing 8-hour experience. I think everyone should have a date with Taishun.